And you can see the move here on FSLY. This is up 40%. It was actually up like 43+% earlier, and this is moving on the back of its earnings report. We talked about that. It was a really good beat, good guide for both the next quarter and for the full year here. That's what's driving this higher. Quick peek here at the short interest on FSLY for a bigger stock, elevated. 9.93% of the float shorted as of the recent batch of data that we got. By the way, I know we had talked a couple of days ago, maybe, about the data being a little bit stale. Just want to alert you that as of February 10th, we have that freshest data from the filings. So we do have fresh data that we're working off of now. 9.93% of the float shorted with 3.87 days to cover. Stock here on average trades 4.24 million shares. Today it's done 4.5 million shares. Float, none of these real stocks are going to be low float. So 140 million there. Intact, short, medium, and long-term trend. 13, let me ask you, do we trade FSLY here today? Do you like this?
This is the heaviest float one that I looked at today. Yep. Not sure if we're going to get great movement. Now, we might out of the gate when there's more attention being paid on it. But as soon as that volume starts to dry up, I think this is going to, that weight of the stock, the market cap is going to, pull it down. The share structure is going to pull it down. And right now, it's trying to get some support from the 65 EMA, which, if we lose, the next support that I think it's going to come down to is going to be about 1275, maybe a little bit lower, around 1250. So in there. So that's the way it looks right now. The earnings were great. The guidance was great. This is, I think, the first or second profitable quarter they had. So they have cash. They're now profitable, and they're guiding that they're going to be profitable for the rest of the year. So that's great news. No worries about them on the cash side there or the financial side. I'm just more concerned about the way their chart looks in the pre-market here. So got to see if we can recapture the VWAP, which I have at 1327. We're not headed that direction at the moment, so we need to see that support from the 65 EMA kick in and reverse so we can take that out.
Okay. All right. Really good stuff there on FSLY. We'll see if we get a trade. This thing's moved quite a bit already. I am almost thinking if we get one of these moves where we dip out of the open and then rally, we'll see if we get that type of setup.